Good morning, students. Today we will study drawing angles and kind of angles. Okay. So, first of all, we will study drawing angles, how to draw the angles. Okay. So, in the last class, we have studied how to measure the angles by the help of protractor. Now, we will know how to draw the angle by the help of protractor. So, first of all, what we have to do, this example you can see, we have to draw the angle of 70 degree. So, first of all, that is step 1, we have to draw on any ray OA. Suppose any line you will draw like any ray. Okay, then after place the protector such that its a center mark may fall on O. Suppose this point name I have given O and this is A. So this particular point, okay, this center point, okay, of the protector, you have to place it here, where you will place at this. Okay, now next what you have to do, you have to take care of that this line, this particular line, this is called the, which line it is called, it is called the zero line for the inner scale, and this line is called the zero line for the outer scale. Okay, and this is called the center mark. So center mark you have to place it here. Okay, then after this line should be fall on this line, means exactly it should be cover this line with the this line. Okay, then after you have to see that we have to draw the angle this side. Okay, so that's why we will take the inner scale, means this scale we will take, and where is the 70, here is the 70, you will place it here, and wherever the 70 you have to just do like this, here the 70 you have to just put the point. Okay, so here you will do the point, then after remove your protector, and by the help of the scale you have to join these two points. Okay, now you will see that, so when you will join these 2 points, so you will see this line will be the of the 70 degree. Okay, so likewise you have to do the uh, how to construct, how to draw the angles. Got it? Okay, now suppose we will draw the 90-degree angle, that is called the right angle. Okay, so we will know about the angles also. So see here some examples that you have to do some work. This works you can try it by yourself. Okay, only simply you have to mark on the protector. Okay, and then after draw the line. See some these are some class work, you have to do it by yourself. Now we will study kinds of angle. Kinds of angle means angles are named according to their measures. Okay, between 90 and 180 and 180 and 360. So between that whatever the angles are there, it is divided like this: 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 360. Okay, so this is based on this it is divided. So if the angle form only 0 degree, nothing, means 0 degree is there, so it means which type of angle, it is a straight angle. Okay, or a straight line you can say. Okay, these are the straight line, simply you can say the straight line. Okay, angle is 0 degree form. Okay, now next you can see when the angle is between 0 to 90, 0 to 90. Okay, so that type of angle is called acute angle. Which type of angle? Acute angle, means angle should be between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, so that type of angle is called acute angle. Okay, next we have, if the angle is exactly 90, not between anything, exactly it is 90. Okay, so that angle, if it is the exactly 90, it is called the right angle. This type of angle? Right angle. Okay, if angle is between, okay, 90 to 180, 90 to 180, it is between the 90 degree to 180, not less than 90. Okay, so it should be more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So that type of angle is called obtuse angle. Okay, next we have, this is straight angle. Okay, if angle is exactly 180, okay, so this is called your straight angle. Okay, so here I just told that when angle is 0 degree, so I told this is a straight, you can say that here. Okay, the fan is closed, the angle form is 0. So angle form is 0 means there is nothing, simple, it is no angle is there. Okay, so maybe it will look like straight, but it is not exactly. If you will measure the value of this angle, this is the 0, but this angle may be the 180. Okay, so now here this is the straight angle. So straight angle, it means it is the turn half position to A, it means that there is the total, this is the 180, means the difference between the that 0 degree means there is no any movement. Suppose the angle was just still there, okay, there is nothing is there, okay, but in the straight it come from here to here, half it is turned, so this is the straight angle. Okay, now we have another angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, more than 180 and less than 360. So this type of angle is called the reflex angle. It is called the reflex angle. Got it? Now one more type of angle you can see, that is the complete angle. Okay, complete angle is that this angle measures 360, means complete one rotation full from here to here, complete one rotation. So this is called the complete angle. In the half angle means it is rotation from here to here only, which is 180 degree. No any rotation, I mean it is still there, so there is the 0 degree. If it is rotation from here to here, so this is the 360 degree. Okay, so first of in the first I told that this is called the straight angle. So this is not a straight angle actually. Here I told that straight angle it is, but it is not a straight angle. Okay, this is the 0 degree angle, no any movement. Okay, so that is on the same point only. It look like that, but it is not a straight angle because angle formation is nothing is here. Okay, so now next we will study, these are the some examples. You can just categorize it according to the right angle, obtuse angle. Okay, so let now directly we will do the exercise 11C. Okay, now in this for question number 1, 11C exercise, what kind of angle is shown in each figure? Okay, so first you can see which type of angle is forming between these two clock hand. So you can see this angle is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So this type of angle is called, which type of angle it is called? It is called acute angle. Okay, you can say this is the acute angle. Okay, so you can write acute angle. So here is, you can see exactly it is 90 degree. 90 degree is forming here or not? Exactly 90 degree, because this sign, if it is the this kind of sign is there. Okay, this is the sign for the symbol for the 90 degree angle, means right angle. This is for the which angle? Right angle. Okay, so this is for the right angle. Okay, so this is the right angle. Again you can see this, of course it is the more than 90 but less than 180, because it is not a straight. It will be straight than 180, but it is more than 90 and less than 180. So this which type of angle? Obtuse. Okay, so you can just do, this is the straight angle, exactly 180. So you can write this is for the straight angle. And you can see it is more than 180, this angle you can see more than 180 and less than 360. So which type of angle it is? A reflex angle. Okay, so you can write it the reflex angle. Okay, now next question you can see, question number 2. Question number 2 is that what kind of angle is marked in the following pictures? So that which kind of angle are, this is which kind of angle? So you can just write this is the acute, because less than the, this is your acute angle. Okay, so because it is less than the 90 degree and more than 0 degree, so it is between 0 to 90. So here also you can see this type of formation is there. So this I already told, if this type of formation exactly perpendicular, it means it is a right angle. Okay, so likewise you can visualize it and write the name of this kind of angle. Okay, now here you can see which type of angle it is. Of course obtuse. Okay, why obtuse? Because more than 90 and less than 360. Okay, here you can see this is the full angle. Here this angle we are talking from here to here, so of course this is the larger angle. So this is the reflex angle, more than 180 and less than 360. Got it? Yeah. Next you can see number B, which of these angles are fixed and which can change. Okay, so it means which angle is fixed and which angle is changed. So you can say that number 2 means this is the 90 degree angle, and the number 5 you can say this angle, these two angles are the fixed. Okay, and number 1, number 3 and number 4 can be changed. Okay, this can be changed. Why? Fixed means this is the pole, hard one, so we cannot change it. This is the fixed. Also this is made of the iron material, it is the fixed, but it is a soft material. These angles can be changed, books can be turned, this compass can be adjusted, so this can be changed. Okay, so you can write this the like this. Now number 3, you can see number 3, how many degree are there in each of these. Okay, a right angle, what is the degree? In the right angle we know 90 degree. In right angle, what is the degree? 90 degree. In the straight angle, what is the degree? 180 degree. Complete angle, what is the maximum degree? That is the 360. Okay, right angle 90 degree, straight angle 180, complete angle 360. That you have to write only. How many right angle does shoulder make one after other when does it's about with turn? Okay, so how many turns it will take? Okay, so that you have to write only. So you can say that how many turns? 2 turns. How 2 turns? Suppose you are doing the PT. Suppose here you are. First turn you will do here. Okay. Second turn again you will do. So now again you will be in the same position of the first one. 2 turns. Exactly 180 degree. So that is the 2 turns. Okay. This is the 2 turns. Okay. Now number 5. Tell whether these angles below are acute, obtuse or straight. You have to write down that it is a acute 300 here is 63, less than 90, more than 0, between 0 to 90. So this is the acute angle. So you can write this is the which type of angle? Acute angle. Okay. So here you can see 90 degree. So which type of angle? Right angle. Here is 180, straight angle. 101, you can say obtuse. Again 89, acute. Okay, 136, obtuse. So likewise you have to write the name of the angles only. Okay, now number 6, you can see name the number of right angle that the hour hand and the clock face turns through in the direction from. So when 12 to 3, so when it is the 12 o'clock and not 12 to 3, so exactly what is the turning? Of course 90 degree. It's the turn is 90 degree. Okay, so here you have to write the when at which time that these two hands make the 90 degree angle. So that only you have to write. So 12 to 6, yeah, there is a formation because 12 will be here and here 12 to 6. Okay, so is it the formation of the 90 degree angle? See it. So check that 12 to 6, 12 will be here and now 6 will be here. So how many times right angle will be formed? First formation will be here, second formation means total is the 180. So 180 is the 2 times 90 plus 90. So 2 times it will be formed. So you can write the 2 times. Here is the how many times right angle will form? 1 time. Now 12 to 9. So first will be formed here, first again form will be here, again will be here. So how many total? 3. So you can write it 3. Okay, now you can see 12 to 12. 12 to 12 means you can see this is your clock. Here is the 12 o'clock, here is 6, here is 3 and here is the 9. So first it will come here 190. Okay, so second again come 90. Okay, this is the question number 1 answer. 1 turn. Here is the 2 turns. Now for 9 3 turns. Now again it is to the 12, so it is the 4 turn. Okay, so 1 turn, second, third and fourth. So total how many turns? First, second, third and fourth turn. Okay, so likewise you have to see the time and you have to write down the how many turns it makes. Turns means exactly formation of 90 degree. So formation of 90 degrees you have to find out how many times it is forming 90 degrees angle. Okay, number 7, write 3 examples of right angle from your classroom. So you have to just visualize that what are the examples of the right angle. You just see the table, chairs or whatever the things are there. Wherever the right angles is forming, you have to write down it. Okay. Now number 8, can two acute angle put together to form a straight angle? Give reason your answer. Okay. So it is that if we put the two acute angles, so is it possible? No. Why? Because the sum of acute angle is less than 180. Because acute angle is 0. Okay, more greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Okay, so less than 90, greater than 0, less than 90. So two value we will take that. Okay, let's see it is the straight angle or not. So means less than 90, I will take the 89. Okay, here is also less than, here also I take the 89. So now 89 plus 89, two value we have. So add it, 9 plus 9, you just add it. 18 carry 1, 178. So is it 170 is a straight line? No, for being the straight line it should be 180 degree, but we are getting 178. So if we two acute angle put together, we will not get the what straight angle. Okay, so this is the your answer is no. So reason is, you can write down like this: two angles we have taken for the 89 89. So this is we have taken, so we got the 178 degree only, but it should be 180. Okay, now number 9, copy the table, use protractor to measure the angles in the figure. So here is that figure, you have to measure these angles. Suppose QPR. So where is the QPR means this angle you have to find out, measure and write. So which type of angle and type of the angle, name of the angles you have to write, acute, obtuse, or what you have to write here, and what is the value you have to write down here. Okay, next is RPS. See it, RPS means this angle you have to measure. So likewise you have to measure the angle, write its the value and its a name, which type of angle it is. Okay, so use protractor and measure it. So how you will measure, you know that you have to put the point here, that center point of the protractor, and just match with this line exactly, and just see the value of this arm. Okay, now you are number 10, observe the diagram, draw below and tell about each of the following angles, whether it is acute, right, obtuse or straight. Okay, so diagram is here, you can see. So angle BAC, so where is the B? Okay, now where is the A and C? So which type of triangle it is? Okay, so that you have to write down. So which type of angle it is forming? This is the acute angle, because it's a, of course it will be the less than 100. It is the greater than 90, greater than 0 and less than 90. So which type of angle? It is acute, so you can write here acute. Okay, so similarly for this ACB, where is the A? Here is the A. C B means, it means BAC means what? BAC means we are finding this angle earlier, so this angle was acute. No, always I told that, always you have to see that, suppose it is written is angle ACB, it means we are talking about this point. So this your vertex will be at the C. So this angle we are talking, we have to find the angle this at this point. What is the angle? So here is the ACB means this angle we have to find out. Okay, so this angle is, of course you can see, this is the more than 90 and less than 180. So between 90 to 180, this is the obtuse. Okay, so you can write the obtuse angle. So likewise you have to see that angles and you have to write. Okay,